Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. As you know, I'm your teacher, Miss Falaknas from Metropolitan Foundation School. So now start our work. First of all, take out your English B copy. This is our English B copy. Open new page. And write down the date, corner of the page, like this. 9 is the month of September and 20 is the sun. And make our title page. Month of September. Month of September. So month of September. Make this title page colorful and creative. You can draw anything on it and color on it. Okay. So this is our month of September. Now come new page. First of all, before starting your work, write down the date. What we doing first today? We're doing singular plural. So let's write down the heading. Singular plural. And take a scale and draw a line center of the page, like your teacher. Now, do you know what is the meaning of singular plural? Singular means one and plural means more than one. अगर मेरे पास ये one है तो ये pencil है. अगर मेरे पास two हो जाती है, now it's become two, so ये plural में है आती है. एंड अब फिर हमारे पास ये पेंसिल नहीं, फिर ये पेंसिल्स हो जाएगी, राइट. जब हम प्लूरल में लिखते हैं तो वो एस ऐड करते हैं. फर्स्ट प्ले, प्ले. अब हमें इसको प्लूरल में लिखना है, देन तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, एस ऐड कर देंगे स्पेलिंग के साथ. सो ये क्या बन गया, प्लूरल. नंबर 2, गिव. अब हम इसको प्लूरल कैसे बनाएंगे, जस्ट ऐड एस लाइक गिव्स. नंबर 3, किक. किक्स. Number 4, hit. How we make hit? How we make hit in plural? Just add s, hits. And the last one, 5, is read. Reads. Let's read it with me again. Play, plays. Give, gives. Kick, kicks. Hit, hits. Read, reads. Okay, our singular plural is done. Now open new page, turn new page, write down the date here. 9 is the month of September and the year is 2020. What we do next? We do next masculine, feminine. So write down the heading, masculine, feminine. And take a scale and draw a line center of the page like a teacher. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of masculine, feminine? अगर हमारे पास जैसे like mother, father है, जो फादर हैं, जो मेल कैटेगरी में आते हैं वो मैस्कुलाइन में लिखते हैं हम, एंड जो फीमेल कैटेगरी में आते हैं वो हम फेमिनाइन में लिखते हैं. लाइक मैन, मैन किस में आएगा, masculine में क्योंकि वो male है, and the feminine is woman. women female है तो वो feminine में है. So इसी तरह हमें बाकी सारे करने हैं. मैंने आपको 1 बता दिया, अब नेक्स्ट आप बताएं. नंबर 2 lion. lion, lioness, lion, lioness. uncle, uncle, auntie, auntie. Number 4 dog, dog, bitch, bitch. Number 5 brother, brother, and the last one is brother feminine is sister. Man, woman, lion, lioness, uncle, auntie, dog, bitch, brother, sister. Now come to next word. Write down the date here and write down the heading. Words opposite. Words opposite. Take a scale and draw a line like this. Number 1. Okay, words. What is the meaning of words opposite? It means अब आपके पास कोई word है like good. अब हमारे पास word है good. अब इसका opposite क्या होगा? इसका उलट क्या होगा? Bad. Right? Opposite means जो इसका उलट होता है. अब जैसे आग, पानी, fire, water, like this. Number 1. Loud. Loud. चिल्लाना, जोर से बोलना. And the opposite is silently. Silently. Loud, silently. Loud, silently. Silently. ly आप इरेज करेंगे. अगर loudly होता हमारे पास तो हम silently लिखते, but we have only loud, so the opposite is silent. Number 2, love. Love. love, love, and the opposite is hate. Hate. Love प्यार करना, hate नफरत करना. Number 3, go. Go. जाना, and the opposite is come. आना. come. Come. Number 4, smile. Smile. मुस्कुराना. weep. 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 Smile. Weep. Number 5, fast. Fast. And the opposite is slow. Now read again with me. Loud, silent. Loud, silent. Love, hate. Love, hate. Go, come. Go, come. Smile, weep. Smile, weep. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Now, our words opposite is completed. A new page. Write a date here and heading translation. Translation. Like this. Number 1. मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. The translation of this sentence is I am a. लड़के को क्या कहेंगे? Boy. So I am boy. I am a boy. Number 2. ये गाड़ी है. ये गाड़ी है. Okay. This गाड़ी को क्या कहेंगे? Car. Car is car. गाड़ी car. Number 3. तुम लड़की हो. तुम लड़की हो. You are a girl. You are girl. लड़की को इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? गर्ल. लड़की गर्ल. Number 4. You are a girl. Number 4. वो कुर्सी है. वो कुर्सी है. That is chair. वो कुर्सी है. कुर्सी को हम क्या कहेंगे? Chair. That is chair. That is chair. Okay. I don't have a space, so I'm using my new page. ये मेरी पेंसिल है. Number 5, the last one. ये मेरी पेंसिल है. This is my pencil. This is my pencil. Now read it again with me. मैं लड़का हूँ. I am a boy. ये गाड़ी है. This is a car. तुम लड़की हो. You are a girl. वो कुर्सी है. That is chair. And the last one is ये मेरी पेंसिल है. This is my pencil. Now, so our translation is completed. Let's revise what we did today. We make a title page, month of September. And we did singular, plural. Play, plays. Play, plays. Give, gives. Give, gives. Kick, kicks. Kick, kicks. Hit, hits. Hit, hits. Read, reads. Read, reads. And we did masculine, feminine. Man, woman. Man, woman. Lion, lioness. Lion, lioness. Uncle, auntie. Uncle, auntie. Dog, bitch. Dog, bitch. Brother, sister. Brother, sister. And we did Words opposite. Loud, silent. Loud, silent. Love, hate. Love, hate. Go, come. Go, come. Smile, weep. Smile, weep. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. And we did the last word month of September is translation. मैं लड़का हूँ. I am a boy. ये गाड़ी है. That is a car. तुम लड़की हो. You are a girl. वो कुर्सी है. That is chair. ये मेरी पेंसिल है. This is my pencil. So, this work is enough for today. Now, our month of September is completed. Do work neat and clean and do writing. And don't forget one finger space. Write online. If you have any confusion or questions, so you can ask me in group. When you've done your work, take a picture and send it in this group. Inshallah, we will meet you soon in our next video. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.